Hey guys, what's up? It's your boys G&J here, Danger Zone. How we doing? Boys, right, today we are on a mission with this bike. The cams need changing. That's right here. We've had a knot coming from the cam, so we thought, right, we'd buy a new one, brand spanking new one. How much was this?
£329.
£329, guys, for this
Genuine part from Fowler's in Bristol. Big motorbike distributor, parts distributor. We had this within 24 hours. I bought this at 5 o'clock and it landed 11 o'clock the next day.
For that, guys. Brand from a Honda genuine part this is.
Yeah, because these bearings, they slide up and down, and this pulley is pressed over to the cam. We could buy just the cam for about £80, but we haven't got the capability of timing this, because you've got your timing marks there and there. And that needs to correspond. There's no mark there, there's no Woodruff key to time this pulley to this cam, so, and you get the new bearings, you get the decompression lever that's on there, which was the part that was worn on the other one.
So yeah, this bit here, guys, we think was what was making it knock.
Yeah, there's a bit of movement in this one, but it's nowhere near what the other one is, and hopefully it will centrifugally work when the engine's running, which the other one didn't. But yeah, new bearings on it, so
hopefully, guys, this sorts it out for us.
Yeah, it just stops the knocking.
Yeah, about 300 quid, guys.
Yeah, £329.
Yeah, for that genuine Honda part. So yeah, guys, we're gonna replace this old one now and show you how it's done. Right. So firstly, take off your rocker cover and get to your top of the engine there, and then that's it, we'll start stripping.
Typical, it's just gone past TDC. Oh no, it's just coming up for TDC, that's nice. Oh, a bit much. Just turn it a bit backwards. And that lines up there. Perfect.
Yeah, we'll crash it all, guys. Yeah, come on, guys. So if he's like,
I want to see
he's on his way home, you know what I mean?
Want to see a girl.
About 20 minutes ago, it stopped raining, didn't it? Didn't it?
Just about, yeah.
He's probably tried making his way home, boys. Huh? Back, right. Right.
Come along.
10-man hillbilly, boys. They're both lethal on bikes, eh?
Yeah.
They are, boys. They're lethal. Two of them. I wouldn't be surprised if it's one of them.
What's this part coming off?
It's the timing chain tensioner.
Right.
Just got to take the cam out. You need to time the engine now, so you just got to remove the tension off the timing chain.
This is the tensioner, guys, being removed.
All you need to see is either red or blue in it.
Yeah.
Either red or blue, you know what it is, right?
And that's how you take tops.
Nails are so tight on these things. So they're marked right and left.
Okay, so make sure they go back in the right order, guys.
And you got the clips, bearing retaining clips underneath them, so you'll make sure they stay in.
They stay in the right way. Remember that, everyone, when you're doing this, you've got to go back the same way.
Camshaft won't come straight out, you have to push that bar out, which is the exhaust rocker.
That switches that there, guys.
Comes out the sides, and then you can lift the exhaust rocker off. Make sure that the two shims stay on top of the valves. There's a shim there.
Right.
You can see that spinning.
Yeah.
Just moving slightly. There's a shim there, so you need to make sure that stays there.
Yeah. Make sure that stays in line, guys.
Now the exhaust rocker's out of the way, the can can be lifted, the chain's already loose. So what you do is you push this bearing, you lift the cam up slightly, push that bearing forward, and it drops the camshaft down in. Now you can unhook the timing chain, look.
Right, okay.
That's why that bearing slides back and forth. Keep that tight, and now you put your camshaft out.
Right, here we go, guys. The old one up.
Yeah, G, get your finger in there for me, hold that chain up. Giggity.
Yeah, I got it.
Grab the new cam. A shiny new one. Make sure the timing's there. How about that? Fiddly, awkward mofo. I bet it's not going to be in time either. Nope. Let's move 1 tooth that way. Okay. 1 tooth again.
Expensive park, my dear boys.
Yep.
Genuine Honda though, isn't it?
Very expensive.
Right, there we go, that's in time. That's in time. So, right, that's the camshaft fitted. Bearings up both ends, and then we're fitting reverse order. Nobody. What's happening? Yeah, ask him, should be right. Yeah. I'll probably see him. Well, that bar only goes in one way because of the cutout in it. Right. If the bars were any other way, the bolt won't go in.
Right.
So it only fit one way. The retaining clip is still in there. You don't want to do these bolts up to make the cap sit down. You need to make sure they snap in place nicely because of the bearing retainer clip. To make sure it all lines up properly. The torch gone. So you hear that click, it's just the tiniest wobble, but yeah, when you get it in the right place it just snaps in so easy. You see people hitting them down with hammers and stuff, you're like, what are you doing?
Yeah, don't be doing that, guys.
No, it should just go in nicely. As you know guys, if it's well lubed up and it's in line, it will go straight in.
Giggity.
Giggity. Oh, right. This one will not go in though, on the other hand. One check on the clip. There we go, the camshaft needs to be moved over.
Now is the time you want to be filling this waft and back up, boys.
Okay, it just clips into place nicely.
Do them up by hand first, guys, just to make sure you've got a good clean thread. You can tie it down by hand, then you nip it up now.
Timing, camshaft timing's right, crankshaft timing's right. That's it, all timed up, cams in, so now we can tighten them down.
Yep.
Just a little nip to start with, just to seat them. Make sure it feels right. Hear that torque wrench? Click!
Yeah.
Click! Click! Click. Yeah, talked. Perfect.
Happy days.
We do have some movement. I'm not going to bother measuring it. There is some movement there. We do have. Oh, we will measure it. So it won't see. There's a little flat blade screw in there, the tensioner, because you'll notice that you can't push that back in. It's got a ratchet system to stop the timing chain bouncing back and forwards.
Right.
It's slippery, giggly. So yeah, you can't push that. So what you've got to do is get your little, it's not the best flat blade screwdriver, I must admit, but when you wind it counterclockwise, no, you wind it clockwise, look,
right.
I can actually push that in.
Oh yeah.
And then if you let go of it will jump back and won't go back in.
Lock itself
Yeah,
back in.
so it has to be counterclockwise and it will move.
Right.
And then you have to keep the tension on it. Go in, so. If you look at the touches, I think I'm not going to be able to do it. No, I'm going to do it. No. Need to remove that unit here. Oh, it's the wrong bolt. That's right. Don't want to overstretch the chain. Just put it in a little twist. So just feel it spring back now. Chain's tight. One thing we have to do is lube the cam up. Make sure you get it in the bearings. Good squirt that way. Good squirt that way. Make sure that's all well lubed. A little bit on the chain. Make sure the teeth don't run bare dry when you first start. Oh shit, I forgot to ask. James asked if you can go pick him up, G, sort you out fuel.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
I forgot, I completely forgot, because it's pissing now.
Oh, when do you want me to grab him?
As soon as you finish filming.
Alright.
Pretty soon, just get this rocker cover on. Yeah, she's in, she's lubed. Tighten the fore up. Done the camshaft, got the cap and the rocker put on.
Gotta go relook twice now, double check.
Make sure it goes on that plug hole properly.
Don't forget, guys, we did an engine rebuild on this last week, so we've had all new gaskets and stuff put down on this anyway, so just in case you're thinking.
Two seals for the rockers. Two seals fell out the rocker while it was upside down.
Yeah. Moved them.
Stuff we got to note. Click. Click. Got a map sensor which is there. It actually runs off. It runs. It's got a because it's got a very short inlet manifold. It runs off the pressure that's there to inject the right amount of fuel. So if you've got a split breather, you'll get a different map reading and it won't run properly.
Yeah,
so
the air mixture's not right.
So you can't have any air leaks.
Okay.
Right, so plugs. The £49 spark plug's in there.
Yep.
The rip-off plug. So make sure you get that nice click. The throttle cables are nice and straight. Make sure it snaps shut. Yeah, that's snap, guys. That's what you're after. Right, that's that done and sorted. So,
Alright, so just put the tank back, guys.
so there's a strap there we ain't got on and a bolt, but we'll do all that in a bit. Bolts in.
And that's pretty much mainly it.
Yeah, I've just put the bolt in. Apparently when you check the level on these, you're not supposed to screw it in, you're supposed to just dip it.
Still lots of police
Just off the max.
Yeah.
That's good enough to start, so we'll run that quickly.
With the fat. Yeah.
I've got in bad condition the frame, James. Just go clean it.
So 9, mate.
Come on, so good check wash now.
Yeah. Just decompressing it.
Hell, last time you were like that. Yeah.
Definitely better so far.
Not better. You couldn't get your foot down there last time. You were sweating by this point last
Oh
time.
no. Well, I had 3 kicks, wasn't it? And I was proper done, but I'm just trying to turn it over a bit. Get the cam turning, make sure it does a full rotation. Sure it feels nice.
Well, there you go, guys. Just like that, she's done. I'm gonna just change the oil and stuff after that, put fresh oil in it.
Well, it's got fresh, but we just want to, because it's a new build, you get bits of metal from the ring and stuff like that, so you want to give it a good run, change the oil a good couple of times, just run it 20 minutes, keep building it in hours, and then keep changing it. The more you change that oil, the more it will look after the engine.
That's it. So
it run for a full day with no oil in it.
Yeah.
It still didn't blow up.
But that sounds much better. Fair play. Much better. I know it's a lot for the cam, but it was well worth it. Well worth it. So guys, anyway, that's it for today on this build. We're going to take her back up the farm soon, give her a test ride, and we'll let you know how that gets on. And we'll show you how that pans out. So please guys, make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon. We'll be back soon with more videos. Thanks everyone. We're done. Peace.